In less than a year, a fresh YouTube channel achieved remarkable success, amassing over 3 million views with their popular video, a charming animation for kids made in under 20 minutes. Even more impressively, they gained 100,000 subscribers within that period, showcasing the immense potential of engaging content for children. Another thriving kids channel has over 3.5 million subscribers and earns more than $47,000 monthly, proving the profitability of this niche. Parents love these channels because their children enjoy the entertaining and educational videos. The creators are reaping the benefits, as these easy-to-produce videos attract millions of views and generate substantial income daily. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert. Even if you're a beginner, you can create your first video in less than 20 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using AI tools to write engaging children's stories and turn them into profitable videos. We'll go through simple steps and tools to help you create your first video, and at the end, we'll watch the video we make together. Let's break down the steps for creating a kid's story video. Write a fun story. We'll start by crafting an engaging story for children using an AI tool like ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and give it a prompt. For this video, I'll ask it to create an exciting story about a young girl who loves exploring nature. I also like to give ChatGPT extra hints to ensure the story is perfect for kids, such as using simple words and keeping the story under 1,000 words with a good lesson. After typing the commands, hit enter, and our script is ready. Now think of a good title for your story. You can read it and come up with a title yourself, or you can ask ChatGPT to suggest one. Create a voiceover. With our story ready, the next step is to create a voiceover using 11 Labs. You can find the link in the description. 11 Labs is a fantastic tool that turns text into speech. Choose your preferred options like language, gender, accent, and reading speed. Copy the story from ChatGPT, go to 11 Labs, paste your story, choose your settings, and click Generate. Your voiceover will be ready to download in seconds. You can also experiment with different voices and settings to find the perfect match for your story. Generate captivating images. Next, we'll generate AI images for our story using Leonardo AI. You'll need a Discord account to use Leonardo AI. Once you're there, start generating images by giving it the right prompts. You can use ChatGPT to create image prompts for each part of your story. For instance, if our story is about a young girl exploring nature, we might need images of forests, rivers, and wildlife. After generating and saving all the images, we'll move on to the next step. Create animated videos. We'll create short animated videos using the images we generated. For this, we'll use Runway ML. Sign up for a free account on Runway using the link in the description. Upload the images, generate the animations, and download the animated videos. Runway ML offers various animation styles and effects, so feel free to experiment until you find the ones that best suit your story. This tool makes it easy to bring static images to life, adding movement and depth that will captivate young viewers. Combine elements into a final video. Finally, we'll combine the animated videos and voiceover using CapCut, an easy-to-use online video editing tool. Create a new account, start a new project, and upload your video elements. Arrange the voiceover and videos in the correct order, add transition effects, captions, and background music. CapCut also offers a variety of text styles and effects, so you can add engaging captions and titles to enhance your video further. Once everything is set, render and export your final video. Make sure to review your video and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it flows smoothly and maintains the viewer's interest. Now, let's watch the video we created together.
Alara, a young girl from a quiet village with a yearning for adventure. Alara is sitting under an old oak tree, reading a book. She notices a shimmering light and finds an envelope sealed with a wax crest. Alara, excitedly, "What's this?" opens the envelope and reads aloud. "To the brave and curious Alara, you are invited to the enchanted forest. Meet me at dawn at the forest's edge. Yours, the guardian of the forest. Alara, determined." This is the adventure I've been dreaming of. Alara stands at the edge of the forest as the sun rises. The wise old owl appears. Wise old owl, welcome Alara. I am the guardian of the forest. Are you ready for your journey? Alara, yes I am. They enter the forest, which is full of magical creatures and glowing flowers. Alara leans down and listens to the flowers. Flowers, Trust yourself, Alara. You have the strength within you. Alara, smiling. Thank you, I will remember that. They reach a dark, ominous cavern. The shadow monster appears, growling. Shadow monster, you cannot pass. Fear will stop you. Alara, taking a deep breath. I am not afraid. I have faced many challenges, and I will face you too. Alara steps forward, and the shadow monster vanishes. Wise old owl. You have conquered your fears, Alara. Your journey is almost complete. Alara stands at the edge of the forest, ready to return home. Wise old owl. You have shown great courage, Alara. Remember the lessons you've learned here, Alara. Thank you, wise old owl. I will never forget this adventure. Alara waves goodbye and walks back to her village with a newfound sense of bravery and confidence. Alara, to herself, I'm ready for anything now. And so, Alara returned home, forever changed by her journey in the enchanted forest. She learned that true courage means facing your fears and believing in yourself. The end.
As you can see, making this video was simple and fun. Follow these steps, and you'll have your own kid's story video ready in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on creating successful YouTube videos. Additional tips for success: engage your audience. Encourage viewers to leave comments, like, and share your videos. Ask for feedback on your stories and suggestions for future videos. Engaging with your audience helps build a community around your channel and increases viewer loyalty. Optimize your videos. Use keywords and tags effectively to ensure your videos are easily discoverable. Write compelling descriptions and titles that capture the essence of your videos and attract potential viewers. Consistency is key. Regularly upload new content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Establish a posting schedule that you can stick to. Monetize your channel. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, enable monetization through YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Explore other revenue streams such as sponsored content, merchandise, and Patreon to further increase your earnings. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful and profitable YouTube channel that delights children and parents alike. Good luck and happy creating!